the British cactus and succulent society. Whoa.
Firstly, squeeze around the pot and then take your newspaper and wrap the newspaper around the body of the plant. Squeeze the pot to ease the plant out of the pot. Remove any of the top dressing so that it will all be nice and fresh when you're done. Place a little bit of compost into the bottom of the pot and then place the plant so that the base of the plant will sit in roughly the same place it did in the previous pot. And then fill around with your substrate. Tap it down so that it's nice and firm. Remove the newspaper so you can see it's nice and central. I use a potting mix that's half compost with a quarter perlite and a quarter grit, and then I'll finish the top dressing with a nice little bit of grit.
The British cactus and succulent society.